Stop manually animating your flags. Let's create a realistic cloth simulation in Blender in just 60 seconds. First, add a plane and rotate it. The secret is the geometry. Subdivide it at least 30 to 50 times. Remember, more vertices mean smoother motion, but don't overdo it for your PC's sake. Now go to Edit mode. Select the vertices where the flag meets the pole and create a vertex group. Name it Pin. This is crucial. It keeps our flag from flying away into the void. Next, hit the Physics tab and enable Cloth. Under the Shape settings, select your Pin group. Now add a wind force field to the scene. Crank up the strength and point it at your flag. Finally, right-click for Shade Smooth and add a Subdivision Surface modifier for that silky finish. Look at that flow. If this tweak saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more Blender tips. What should we simulate next? Let me know in the comments below.